Welcome to the How to Lift Effectively series with Dash Wellness. In this series, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about lifting safely and effectively to meet your fitness goals. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your technique, this series will help you get the most out of your strength training. Lifting is not just about picking up weights. It's about building strength, improving mobility, and laying the foundation for overall health and wellness. Whether you want to boost your performance in sports, improve your daily activities, or simply feel stronger and more confident in your body, lifting can be a game changer. Strength training can boost your metabolism, increase bone density, and improve your balance and coordination. It's one of the most effective ways to achieve both short-term fitness results and long-term health benefits. We will introduce some key concepts that will help set you up for success in the rest of this series. We'll start by talking about the 3 core principles of lifting: progressive overload, proper form, and consistency. Progressive overload is the foundation of any strength training program. If you want to build muscle and get stronger, you need to challenge your body by gradually increasing the weight, the number of reps, or the intensity of your workouts. Think of it like this: your muscles adapt to the stress you place on them. To keep improving, you need to push your limits over time, allowing your muscles to grow stronger and more resilient. This doesn't mean you have to add a ton of weight right away. In fact, it's better to increase gradually. The key is to be patient and focus on long-term progress. Next is proper form, which is absolutely critical for preventing injury and maximizing results. Lifting heavy weights with poor form can lead to injuries that could sideline you for weeks or even months. It's better to use lighter weights and perfect your technique than to lift too much too soon. When lifting, always prioritize control over the weight. Focus on the muscles you're targeting and make sure your body is aligned properly. This way, you're working smarter, not harder. Finally, we come to consistency. Like any form of training, strength building requires regular effort. Lifting weights sporadically won't give you the results you're looking for. Commit to a schedule that fits your life and stick to it. Whether you're training 2 or 5 times a week, the most important thing is staying consistent. Over time, those small, regular efforts will lead to significant improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Before we dive into specific techniques and exercises in the upcoming videos, it's important to address some of the common mistakes people make when they start lifting. One major pitfall is ego lifting, or trying to lift too much weight too soon in order to impress yourself or others. It's natural to want to challenge yourself, but it's also important to be realistic about your starting point. Lifting weights that are too heavy for you can compromise your form and increase the risk of injury. Start with manageable weights and build up as your strength improves. Remember, the long-term goal is sustainable progress, not short-term gains at the cost of your health. Another common mistake is skipping the warm-up. Warming up is essential to prepare your muscles for the work ahead and reduce the risk of injury. A good warm-up increases blood flow to the muscles, making them more pliable and ready to handle the load. It also helps activate the nervous system, improving coordination and balance during your lifts. Take at least 5 to 10 minutes before each session to do dynamic movements, like arm circles, leg swings, or bodyweight squats. This will not only help prevent injuries, but also enhance your performance during the workout. A third mistake often seen is overtraining. It's tempting to think that more is better, but your muscles actually need time to recover and grow stronger. Recovery is when the magic happens. Your muscles repair and become more resilient, allowing you to lift more the next time. That's why it's crucial to listen to your body and include rest days in your routine. Overtraining can lead to burnout, fatigue, and even injury, so it's important to find the right balance between training and recovery. Now, let's talk briefly about setting goals for your lifting journey. Having a clear goal will keep you motivated and give your workouts purpose. Instead of lifting aimlessly, you'll have a concrete target to aim for. We recommend setting SMART goals, goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, if your goal is to improve your squat, a SMART goal could be: increase my squat by 10 pounds in the next 8 weeks by following a consistent strength program and focusing on proper form. This kind of goal is clear and measurable, so you can track your progress and adjust as needed. Remember, goal setting is about challenging yourself while also being realistic about what's achievable. In the next video, we'll dive into perfecting your form for key lifts like the squat, deadlift, and bench press. These are some of the most fundamental exercises in any lifting routine, and learning to perform them with proper form will help you build strength while minimizing the risk of injury. Remember, lifting effectively starts with mastering the basics, so don't rush the process. Take it one step at a time, and you'll see incredible results as you progress. Thanks for watching. The How to Lift Effectively series with Dash Wellness is for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a physician or certified healthcare provider before beginning any new exercise program, particularly if you have pre-existing medical conditions or injuries. Exercise carries inherent risks, and improper technique, excessive weight, or overtraining can lead to injury. If you experience pain or discomfort, stop immediately and seek professional advice.